This section identifies the pressurized and unpressurized areas of the aircraft. Let's start by looking at the unpressurized areas. The landing gear is contained within the wheel wells. The main gear wheel well also holds most of the hydraulic components. The radome forms the aircraft nose and acts as a shield to protect the weather radar antenna. The wing is a single unit mounted through the lower fuselage. The pneumatic system, the air conditioning system, and the aft stairway, together with the rudder mechanism and the auxiliary power unit, are contained in the aft accessory compartment, more commonly referred to as the tail compartment. The APU is contained within its own fireproof enclosure. Last, the tail cone, which can be jettisoned for emergency evacuation. All remaining areas of the aircraft are pressurized. The forward accessory compartment holds some of the electrical equipment and is reached via the nose gear wheel well. Behind the nose gear wheel well is the main electrical and electronics, or E&E compartment. It's accessed from a belly door just behind the nose gear. The external door latch can be operated from both sides of the door. If necessary, entry to the E&E compartment can also be made from the flight deck. Access is through a door in the floor under the carpet behind left pilot's seat. There are 3 cargo compartments located below the cabin floor. They're called forward, mid, and aft cargo compartment and are numbered 1, 2, and 4. 3 cargo compartment doors, one for each compartment, are located on the right side of the aircraft. All cargo doors are plug-type doors, and they're similar in operation. All cargo compartments are pressurized. The forward cargo compartment is heated and suitable for carrying specialized cargo, such as live animals. The cargo compartment heating fan provides some heating of the mid-cargo compartment. The aft cargo compartment will also have some heating from exhaust air from the cabin. Passengers enter through the forward entrance door. This is a plug-type door. It can be operated from either inside or outside the aircraft. The stairwell door and stairway are located below the forward entrance door. 2 service doors are provided, one at the right forward galley and one at the left aft galley. The aft entrance door is located on the aft pressure bulkhead. This door can be opened internally or from the stairway once it's extended. The forward entrance door and forward and aft service doors are equipped with slides. The aft exit is also equipped with a slide, which can be used after the tail cone is jettisoned. There are 4 overwing emergency exits. These will be covered in a later lesson. Although these panels are normally used by ground personnel for servicing, you should be aware of their location. Finally, the door caution lights on the pilot's overhead annunciator panel indicate that these doors are unlocked. No, please try again. Let's move on to the general layout of the flight deck. The instruments and switches are on the engine instrument panel. the glare shield panel, the left and right flight instrument panels, and the pedestal. Warning and caution lights are on the overhead annunciator panel. The main circuit breakers are behind the left pilot. The flight deck is equipped with various types of windows. Both the centre and side windshields are electrically heated for anti-icing and defogging. They're designed for impact resistance, such as collision with birds, and to withstand pressure at high speeds. All three windows are made of three-layered glass with anti-ice and anti-fog coating between each layer. Composition of the remaining windows is detailed in the AOM. The clear view and eyebrow windows are heated for defogging only. The aft windows are not heated. If a window is cracked or unheated, certain restrictions apply. Do not attempt to heat a cracked windshield. Refer to the AOM for details. Only the clear view windows can be opened. Click on the window to see how it operates. First, to unlock the window, the handle is pulled aft and inboard. It'll then slide back and is locked open by the hold-open mechanism. In unpressurized flight, the clear view window can be opened for better pilot visibility or for smoke evacuation. On ground, the clear view window serves as an emergency exit. Before closing the window, the hold-open mechanism has to be released. Then push the window forward to the stop, lift the handle and push it to locked position. The flight deck contains two pilot seats, which are identical except for position of the seat controls. They can be adjusted for height, horizontal position, and seat back angle. For easier access, the armrests fold upwards. They can be adjusted vertically with a rotating knob. The seats have a shoulder harness, incorporating an inertia reel complete with locking device. This locking device is used during emergency landing or to secure an incapacitated pilot. Finally, the observer's seat, installed opposite the flight deck coat room. When not in use, it should be folded and stowed. This prevents blockage of the flight deck door.